Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. In today's video I decided to hop on the reversed cat eye trend. This was started by Painted by Spencer. This is his version. It's absolutely gorgeous and I wanted that on my eyes. So this is my take on it. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Right now I have just a little bit of concealer on my lids and I'm going to set that in place with a nude eyeshadow. I'm going to take my Taupes palette by Juvia's Place and pick up this shade here. I'm using a Juvia's Place 006 brush. And I just want to set the concealer into place and just have a little bit of a transition there as well. So I'm setting everything. I'm applying the shade on my lid and also in my crease. This is basically just to have something on my lid. Getting into the inner corner. And extending into my other corner. Next you want to grab a black eye pencil. I'm going to use this one by Sephora Collection. This is the long lasting khol. Anyways, use whatever black pencil that you have. I'm going to apply it on my waterline first. And then the thing is, what I want to do is I want to get a straight line here. This outer corner is important, so the line won't be disconnected from my lower lash line. I hope I make sense, but if I don't, you'll probably get it in a second. So I'm smudging the pencil on my lower lash line, getting in between the lashes, so everything will look really black. I think this is better. I zoomed you a little bit closer. Get into the inner corner as well. Do a little bit of an inner corner wing here. And then I'm extending this into my other corner. So you basically, you want a very straight line here. I'm gonna just make this a little bit bigger. And I'm kind of connecting it to the outer corner, but not really getting on my lid. To blend it, you're going to need some kind of a pencil brush, something similar to this one. This is a Morphe M149 and it's rounded. It's rounded, but it's really small. And I'm going to use it to smudge the pencil. So everything will look a little bit more faded. And I'm smudging the lower part all the way to the inner corner. Take your time to really blend that. I'm blending the upper part as well and extending it. But as you can see, I'm just doing this kind of a motion, so I'm not dragging back and forth here, because you kind of want the tip of the liner to be more faded. Something is a little bit weird here. I don't think this makeup is made for my eye shape, because as you can see here, it looks like my eye is rounded and then there's something. I think in order to make it work, I kind of need to maybe just make it a little bit more lifted somehow. So I'm working on this other corner by looking ahead and trying to make kind of a straight line. But I think I'm going to stop here because I will turn it into a regular smoked liner rather than a reverse cat eye, which defeats the purpose. I'm going to need a black eyeshadow to set this in place. I'm picking up my Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place and I have this black here. I'm going to use an angle brush first. Pick up the black. I need the angle brush to set my inner corner to make sure that it stays as sharp as possible. So really getting in there. And then I can switch back to my previous brush, pick up the black again, and just set the entire thing. I'm going over my waterline as well to set it in place. And this makes things a little bit more intense as well, especially if you don't have a really intense black pencil. Going over the liner. And with a fluffier brush, this is a Morphe 507, I'm going to blend. And just to fade everything and make it look very, very smoky. To finish things off, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. And I'm going to apply some false lashes as well. And I'm applying a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes as well. And to finish things off, I'm going to apply some false lashes off camera, because I don't want to ruin this look. And I need to be very careful about applying the lashes. Do you just have a day where everything goes wrong makeup wise? That's the day for me. It's been more than an hour when I actually tried to apply lashes. Like, it's because of that black lash glue that I kept complaining about. It ruined my look. I started crying and I had to redo everything. Like, I was so frustrated. I wiped off this part of my eye because it was ruined because of my tearing and everything. And so yeah, the look might be different now than what you saw before I went and applied lashes, because like I kept trying to fix it, and I think I made this part thicker. It's just, that's just how it went. Anyways, we're here now. This looks okay, like it's not perfect, because if you look close you can see that I basically did my makeup over the old makeup, like old ruined makeup. So yeah, this is the look all complete. I really hope you enjoyed it and you found this video useful. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if not subscribed already. A lot of frustration went into this look. I'm going to go now. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!